Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Hana Facts. Today we are diving into a magical world of positivity and how it can transform your life. I'm Hana and I am so excited to share these powerful mindset shifts and positive affirmation with you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uplifting content. Let's get started. A life with positivity, happiness, and success, it's not a dream. It can be your reality with the right mindset and positive affirmation. Let's explore the first power mindset shift. The first step is to embrace positivity in every aspect of your life. Focus on the good, acknowledge your strength, and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, positivity attracts positivity. Now let's talk about the real game changer positive affirmation. Affirmations are the simple yet incredible effect statements that can shift your mindset and rewrite your brain for success. After me, everyone, repeat it. I am worthy of a love and respect. I am enough just as I am. Believe it or not. This powerful information will boost your self esteem and attract positive relationship into your life. Now let's manifest abundance with this affirmation. I'm open to receiving all the abundance that is our universe has to offer. Trust me, when you believe in abundance, you attract opportunities and prosperity. It's time to build a daily practice of a positive affirmation. Make it a habit to say these empowering statements in front of the mirror every morning. This ritual sets the tone for an incredible day ahead. We all have negative thoughts from time to time. The key is to recognize them and transform them into a positive ones. It's time to the second mind shift. Instead of saying I can do it, try saying I am capable of overcoming a challenge. I can do it. Trying to saying I'm capable of overcoming a challenge by reframing negative thoughts, you will empower yourself to achieve things you once thought were impossible. Let's take it a step further. Close your eyes and visualize your goals and dream as if they were already come true. Embrace the feeling of a joy and accomplished this powerful technique will propel you towards success. Gratitude is the powerful tool that can instantly shift your perspective. It's time for the third mindset shift. Start a gratitude journal and write down three things you are grateful for each day. The simple practice will fulfill your heart with the appreciation and attract more positivity into your life. Now don't keep all the positivity to yourself. Share it with the others, spread kindness and lift people up with your encouraging word. Remember, what goes around comes around. Embracing power, positive affirmation, and mindset shift will unlock the true potential within you. Believe in yourself, be kind to yourself, and watch your life transformation into a beautiful journey of success and happiness. I am unstoppable. I am positive. I am on the path of a greatness. Thank you all for the joining me today on Hana Facts. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give a thumbs up and share it with your family. Stay positive, stay motivated, and I will see you in the next one. Remember, you have the power to change your life. Take care and have an amazing day ahead. Allah Hafiz.